Okay, so good morning to all of you, the student of class 2. So today we will do the next part of the chapter, add our points, and the page number is 81. So open your math magic book and the page number is 81. So take your pencil and eraser also. Because today also we will do our book work, okay? Okay. So read the look at the picture. How fast can you add? Now they wants to come to know that how much fast you can add. So Bhelu, what are you doing? So the girl with a long ponytail, what she is asking? She is asking that boy that what are you doing? And that boy is saying, Akka, please help me add. I mean the boy is doing some some addition. Can you see? 7 plus 5 plus 3 equal to what? So the boy wants to do the addition and that's why he asked the girl for the help. Then the girl will say, oh, you can add this without writing. Now the girl is saying that dear friend, you can add without writing. So the girl is explaining him, okay? The girl is explaining him, start from 7 and count 5 more to make 2. That means the girl is saying that you can start from 7 and you have to be count, then after that up to 5. So after 7 if we count, then after see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we will get 12. Then add 3 more. So after 12 is 13, 14, 15 and you will get 15. Then the boy is saying, I can also add 7 and 3 fast to get 10. So this is little bit brain game, student, that you have to be learned that 7 plus 3 is always 10, like 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. So and then 5 with 10, if we add 1 we will get 11, if it is 5 then we will get 15, in this way, okay? So the boy is saying that it is better to make the addition first 10, then after that whatever the number left, that we can add with the 5, okay? So with this process we will do this math, okay? So already the 5 has been given that you have to be do in your book. So do it, okay? So see the first one, 5 plus 5 plus 7, isn't it? Equal to dash. Now see student, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is how much? 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is always 17. So is it easy now? Now 6 plus 5 plus 4. Now see, we will make first 10, okay? So what we will do? So we will add first 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, this 6 and this 4. If you will get 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15, isn't it? Now see the next, 9 plus 4 plus 1, 9 plus 4 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Now see the next one. 7 plus 3 plus 8. So 7 plus 3 is how much, student? 7 plus 3 is 10, huh? And 10 plus 8 is 18. It is very easy. Now the last one is 8 plus 3 plus 2. Now tell me, student, with 8 which number we will add first? With 8 which number we will add first? It's 3 or 2? Say me, then I can understand. 3, Lisa. Okay, now with 8 plus 3? No. 8 plus 3 plus 2. 8 plus 3 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is how much? 8 plus 3, look at here. 8 plus 3 is 11. But we will make 2 number addition is 10. So we have to take 2. So 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. 10 and 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay? Good, Debopriya. Okay. So, everybody done this page? This page work? 81 number page? Okay. Now come to the page number 82. Now come to the page number 82. Killer lizard. A killer lizard moves from one hole to another hole. As it moves, it eats insects hidden in the hole. The number of insects in each hole is shown. Okay. Okay. Now, see, can you see the picture of the lizard? See, this is a green color big lizard. Okay. Okay, who completed the pages? They send me the picture, and then first of all we will complete this page, and then after that we will move. I will check all to both the pages. Okay. Now better you look for the 82 number page. So see that how the drawing is. So here in this side I am draw the hole. It's a big hole. Okay. Now see the line 5, 9, 0, 3, 8, 1, 2, 6. Now see the main important thing they have told. The number of insects in each hole is shown. Means here there are 5 insects, there are 3 insects, there are 6 insects. Okay. The lizard can move only along the lines. Means he can follow only these lines. Okay. That if he wants, see the lines. Can you see, student, that there is no line 6 and 8. So can the lizard go from 6 hole to 8 hole? Can it go from 6 to 8? Tell me, can it go? Can it go from 6 to 8? No, na? because it has no line here. So we have to follow the line. Starting from the blue hole in the picture, the lizard goes to 3 holes to eat 18 lizard. So 18 insects. So what is the target of eating insect? 18. 18 insect the lizard will eat by crossing 3 holes. So this is the starting of the, so this is the lizard, okay. So this is the lizard, it does not look like a lizard. So it will start eating from this hole, okay. Now this is the path lizard take, 8, 1, 9. So you can see that the lines are joined, 8, 1, 9. So see, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18 lizard. So it is all right. What path can the lizard take to eat 12 insects? Now it's now the lizard goal is eat to 12 insects. So 12, how we will get 12? Which hole it has to be go to eat 12 insect? Tell me. Dash plus dash plus dash equal to 12. So tell me the path. 8 plus 3 plus 1. Yes. 5 plus 3 plus 6. But student, think one thing, that here you have to be okay, 8 plus 3 plus 1, 8 plus 3 plus 1, this is correct. And now somebody has 8, 2 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 12. Lisa, this is your addition. Horrible. So 8 plus 3 plus 1, it makes 12. So see this one. So better student, you have to be write down 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8 plus 1. It will go along with the lines, okay. So better you write down 1, 8, 3, okay, or 3, 8, 1. Now which make the path 20. See, it become how much hungry that it wants now 20 insects. How you will get 20? Very good. 8 plus 3 plus 9. Very good. Because 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. Very good. This time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat insect. Now on the top 3 he went to 3 holes, but now he is going to 4 holes, okay. So 4 holes, 1 plus 2 plus this hole equal to 18. Okay. So which 4? You can't use a number 2 times, twice you can't. So somebody has tell 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 18. Yes, this one is correct, Deboshmita Mondol. Somebody else wants to say me something different answer? Anybody is there who wants to tell me different answer? 1, then 2, then 6 to 9. Okay, now see student, you have to be show the lines. Can we do like this, that see from 1 Oshmit, from 1 to 3, listen Oshmit, Oshmi, yes, from 1 Oshmit and Oshmit both, all of you, 1 from 1 to 2 hole, from this hole to this hole it can go, from 2 to 6 it can go. Then how it will go now? It will go now, but it has to be cross this hole also now. So make the holes together, means in a way. Now see, 6, 3, 8, 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So 6, 3, 8, 1. Do you understand why I didn't take this answer? Oshmit and Oshmit. Oshmit, 4 holes. Can you see? 9, 8. You can say 9, 0, 1, 8. In this way also you can say Oshmit. 9, from 9 it goes to 0, 0 to 1, then after that this way. Okay. If we take this 1, then 2, then 6, then if it wants to go to 9, that means this hole also it has to be crossed, because there is no straight way. So we can't take this one. Okay. Now 12. We have to be make 12. So how we will get 12? Tell me. See, 9, then 0, then 1, then 2. 9, then 0, then 1, then 2. And somebody has said 6 plus 3 plus 1 is, Oshmit says 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, is 6, now 3. Okay, but it crossed this hole. Okay, you can write. Oshmi, if you want, you can write this one. This time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat the insect. Okay. So you have to be remember this one. So this is Oshmi. Oshmi, look at your answer, Oshmi. First it goes to 1, means 1 hole. Then it go to 2, means 2 holes. Then if it is go to 6, beta, then it also cross these holes, na? Then when it will reach 6, then means it cross 4 holes. Then 3 becomes 5 holes. But in our book it has instruct that we have to, the lizard goes to 4 holes. So we will change this one, okay? We will not take this one. Do you understand, Oshmi? Okay, now everybody done? So do you understand? Okay, so up to this much for today. On the next day we will do the next page. On the next page there is a game. Okay, so let's see what we will do on the next class. So